Using QuickBooks for managing finances as an Uber driver has become remarkably straightforward. Let's delve into a comprehensive guide on how to maximize its potential. Initially, start by registering for either QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Self-Employed, depending on your business requirements and financial plan. Then, proceed with setting up your account by following the prompts, which include entering your business details and linking your bank accounts and credit cards. Next, establish income and expense categories within QuickBooks that mirror your Uber business operations, such as Uber earnings, vehicle expenses, fuel costs, insurance, maintenance, and tools. Ensure accurate categorization of transactions to effectively monitor income and expenses separately, facilitating smoother tax reporting. Once your account is set up, regularly input your Uber earnings into QuickBooks upon each payment receipt. This can be done manually by entering income transactions or automated by integrating your Uber account directly with QuickBooks, if supported. Similarly, diligently track business expenses related to your Uber driving endeavors, encompassing fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, tolls, phone bills, and any other pertinent expenditures. Enter these expenses into QuickBooks, categorizing them appropriately to efficiently monitor business costs and optimize tax deductions. To accurately track business mileage, utilize either QuickBooks or a mileage tracking application, ensuring seamless integration with QuickBooks for precise mileage recording during passenger pickups, trips to destinations, and return journeys home. Utilize QuickBooks to generate detailed reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and expense reports, enabling a comprehensive overview of your financial status as an Uber driver. As tax season approaches, leverage QuickBooks to prepare for tax reporting by meticulously tracking income, expenses, and mileage throughout the year. Familiarize yourself with tax obligations as a self-employed individual and seek guidance from a tax advisor or accountant, if necessary, to ensure compliance and maximize deductions. Maintain the organization of your QuickBooks account by regularly reconciling transactions, updating records, and staying abreast of your financial status. Additionally, store and organize receipts, invoices, and other pertinent documents systematically for easy reference and streamlined tax preparation.